Hello there, 2008 FLHRC Road King Classic. Taking some time to show new products that I've discovered at a Home Depot. It might not be new to the market, but it's new to me. Die-hard motorcycle technicians, mechanics, it's when you're joining wires, it's a big technical hoo-ha, and you know what, the world's going to come to an end if you don't do it right. So technically they always use these things. You crimp them together, you heat them up, and they shrink wrap around it, and then you shrink wrap the entire cable. But you know what, come on, it's fucking speakers. We're not competing with professional audio people. So this is what I'm doing. Put them together, strand it nice and tight, and these are the new connectors. Home Depot from DRYCONN, from 12 to 22 gauge. You see that there? And check it out. This is going to be terrible. Let's see if I can do this one. Okay, here we go. Once you twist it nice and tight, come in here, put it in there, and there's going to be a little schmoo coming out, some silicone. Yes. And you tighten, 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 righty tighty. That is tight there. And the schmoo, the silicone goes all around the cable. So, no water. Yes. So easy. So fast. It's great. I love them. For a pack of 20 for $6. Can't go wrong. Come on, man. Who's got time to crimp, butt crimp, and heat wrap or heat shrink? It's just as easy. Nice and clean. You don't like it? Don't use them. I like them. I'm using them. So, hey, it is what it is.